Ever played with these 1.4 multi-air in this little Renegade made by Fiat, but they're kind of a really interesting hydroelectrical valve train system, but there is some maintenance need to do on them that you don't normally think of. In addition to the regular oil filter, there's like an inlet oil filter you got to change. Conveniently located behind the timing cover. Get the air box off. Some folks say you got to take the mount off, but you don't really have to. You got to get this timing cover off. 2 screws, one there, one down at the bottom. Where'd it go? Yeah, there. See? Down there. Long bolt at the top. Short bolt at the bottom. And we're after behind that plug. $10 mil. Bust that loose threader out.